This video will explain how to remove and reinstall the electrical boards on your Bale Band-It. Before you begin, make sure to turn off the electrical and hydraulic power to the Bale Band-It to prevent damage or injury. The Bale Band-It has two electrical boards, one in the front relay box located in the front right corner of the machine, and one in the band relay box located inside the band box on top of the machine. When sending in boards for repair or reprogramming, be sure to send both boards. To remove the front relay board, first unscrew the two retaining screws on the lid and open the front relay box. Here's what the inside looks like. Before removing the boards, the three terminal block strips will need to be unplugged. The power and ground wires will need to be disconnected, and the mounting screws will need to be removed. To disconnect the terminal block strips, first unscrew the small slotted screws on the ends, then pull the terminal block plug out of its header. If it does not fully disconnect, unscrew the end screws some more and try again. Do not pry or jerk forcefully. Remove the four mounting screws with a flathead screwdriver. To disconnect the power and ground wires, loosen the two clamping screws and pull out the wires. The electrical board is now free to be removed. To reinstall the front relay board, simply reverse the removal process. Reinstall the mounting screws, reconnect the power and ground wires, and plug the terminal blocks into their headers. When reinstalling the power and ground wires, note that the black wire is power and the green wire is ground. The board is marked to indicate which wire goes to each terminal. Remember to tighten the slotted screws at the ends of each terminal block strip. When finished, close the lid and tighten the screws to ensure a waterproof seal. To remove the band relay board, open the lid of the band box. Then open the band relay box. The removal process is the same as for the front relay board. Remove the power and ground wires, the terminal block plugs, and the mounting screws. To reinstall the band relay board, reverse the removal process. The lid can be removed for ease of access. Note that there are two black wires connected to the power terminal. When finished, test the machine and ensure it behaves as expected.